I do two? It's holy. Free size होना है ये. इसका budget मेरे लिए सिर्फ एक ही costume है. Put it to my face.
I do that.
It's shopping time. I almost heard. Shall we do some as well?
रंग बरसे भीगे, अरे होली जो आ रही है और मूड तो सेट करना ही होगा। तो आज हम आए हैं लोकनवाला मार्केट विद कीर्ति कुल्हारी फॉर द होली स्पेशल एपिसोड ऑफ गली फैशन। Today we have none other than Kirti Kulhari with us. Hi Kirti, welcome to Gully Fashion.
Thank you, Gaga. Thank you, guys.
You're welcome. हम आज आए हैं लोकनवाला market to do some shopping, and since we both have planned to go for a Holi party together, are you ready for some crazy, colorful shopping?
And very, very economical shopping.
Sure. And also wishing you a happy Holi in advance.
Thank you.
May your life be colorful as mine.
I'm like a pro at crossing
I
in
love
Mumbai.
rough crossing. Since we are just doing one look, we can just do one look. जहाँ पे
Can I
हम,
do two? It's holy.
You wanna do two?
No, I'm kidding.
I mean, I don't mind.
No, we just do one and we go for it and
Yeah.
we get all.
So we'll just do one look. We'll end up with some accessories, and we'll do some jutis maybe.
Sounds great.
So Kirti, how do you celebrate Holi?
So I used to, when I was growing up as a child until my college, I used to wait for Holi's because my dad was in the Navy and we would have these Holi parties and there would be like a lot of water and there were colors. I never do the dirty one. Right? Oh, this is the shop. Great. No, colors I do, but not like the andas and the
Oh,
वो सब कौन सा silver color. I don't do all of that, but I love like we
the
used
Rani
to,
pink color.
Yeah, we used to have like rainwater
Wow.
rain dance.
Rain dance.
Yeah, which I used to love.
And
so
how do you play Holi like lately?
now I do with the organic
Organic
color.
colors only.
Yeah, I think people are just more mindful of that.
Do
I
you like
think
wearing cord sets? Sorry.
Oh, I love cord sets and I love white. And I think Holi has to be white. Like I don't see any other color.
I really like this one.
Oh wow.
And
I
I
actually
guess
have something similar at home,
You
like
do?
a white cord set, but
You do?
great. Like yeah, I would totally do something.
but
like
this is more malmal
yeah,
cotton
very like soft cotton.
and very easy breezy.
It's got a lining also actually.
It has.
Yeah. Will it fit me? जी?
I
Free
think
size.
हाँ, I think हो जाना
Free
चाहिए.
size होना है ये.
नहीं, मुझे भी लगता है हो जाना
हाँ,
चाहिए.
हो
But
जाना
आपके
चाहिए.
पास और sizes हैं
No,
इनमें?
but I think it's great. Like I just
आपके पास और colors हैं? White और black के अलावा? Brown.
no.
Brown is too boring.
No, it has to be white.
So what do you think about this? I mean,
I
I really
love
like
it.
it.
I
So
really
we
like
could
it. I
team
really
it up
like
with
it.
some really cool silver jewelry
Yeah.
and shades तो है ही.
Yeah.
And then jutis, and then I think we are pretty much sorted.
Yeah.
Do you want to keep it very over the top or very
No, I'm
minimal?
not a very over the top person. I like to just underplay
Okay.
everything.
So आप इसका कितना बोल रहे हो? और आप लास्ट प्राइस भी बता दीजिए.
I love this. 900. Wow. No, it's very. Yeah. Okay.
900 मुझे ऐसा दिल तो नहीं कर रहा, लेकिन अगर थोड़ा और चलो ठीक
I
है.
love this
Not bad.
negotiation that happens. सर इनका बजट मेरे लिए सिर्फ एक ही कॉस्ट्यूम है तो मैं यही लूंगी. अब मैं
नहीं,
एक्चुअली मैंने बोला हुआ है कि मैं 1 साल तक कपड़े नहीं खरीदूंगी क्योंकि मेरे पास इतने सारे कपड़े हैं. तो मुझे 5 महीने हो गए हैं, 7 महीने और हो जाए फिर मैं जरूर आऊंगी.
Reuse and recycle.
Yes, absolutely. Oh, I love these colorful ones. This is so holy. Even the greens are nice.
I love the green one.
Yeah,
Yeah, I love
yeah.
this one.
All right.
Looks cool.
Yeah, I think it'll go with the white one.
Green it is.
Yeah.
Looks nice. It quite looks nice on
Yeah.
this outfit
yeah, on
as
this
well.
too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So are we picking this up? Are we
Do you
not-
want to? I
Yeah,
mean, I don't mind.
Yeah, I think it's
चलो
nice to have a little.
आप खुश हो जाओ. मैम को ये ग्लासेस पसंद आए तो हम ये भी ले लेंगे.
We have green and we have. I want to just try quickly.
Orange is also nice, but green was looking.
Classy.
हाँ.
Yeah.
हिल रोड पे मुझे ये 100 रुपए में मिल रहा है, आप 250 में यहाँ दे रहे हो. और सरोजनी चाहे तो I'll get it for 50 rupees.
I love Sarojini.
हम भी यहाँ उबर से ही आए तो नहीं 250 बहुत ज्यादा बोल दिया आपने. ये 150 नहीं 150, ये 150 का
ये
ही है.
लीजिए.
हिल रोड पे 100 रुपए 150 देखो हम ले रहे, आप चाहते थे ना कि हम आपसे ग्लासेस लें।
हम तो लेने भी नहीं वाले थे, it's just
हाँ।
an extra thing.
बस हाँ।
बस, thank you. Thank you.
That was pretty quick.
That was very
And I think without much further ado, हम जाके खरीद सकते हैं some jewelry
quick. Matching accessories.
and
Yes.
jutis to end. So when was the last time you came street shopping?
Actually, not in India, but I did street shopping in Notting Hill in London.
So you prefer street shopping abroad?
No, it's not that. It's just no. I mean, I've done a lot of this as well, but it's been a while since I did this. And but I was in Goa recently, and I was so tempted to shop.
Where
But
in
then,
Goa?
I was at Morjim, more in Morjim
Uh-huh.
area. I also went to Asagaon and all that, but
Oh,
more
wow.
of Morjim. I so wanted to shop, but then I've taken this sort of an oath, you know, publicly last September that realizing that I have so much already, I don't want to like keep buying and stuff. So for the next 1 year, I'm not shopping for clothes, bags, and shoes.
So I think your eyes are rolling on these Kolhapuri
Yeah,
chappals.
I mean, considering we have bought like those green glasses,
uh-huh.
you know, just like little.
But then
little pop
don't
color.
you mind adding some pop, some colors?
No, let's go for it.
है ना?
I'm
So
all for it. Yeah. Okay.
what about that?
Yeah, I think which one?
Either or. I mean,
This
I love the
or
I love the
this or
top
this.
one.
That's
आपके पास
right.
उनके साइज में है वो जूती?
जी जी
हाँ, प्लीज दिखा दीजिए।
आपको टेबल की
नहीं. देखिए एक और साइज आएगा.
हाँ, एक
और
साइज
है?
बड़ा।
मैक्सिमम
हाँ, आ गया ठीक है चलो आ गया.
अच्छा, oh, so you had to like really push it
Yeah.
way back.
Very nice.
Do you like them?
Yeah,
Because
I do.
love them.
I do. I really do. You know?
So I think it's white, green, and
there's
orange.
bit
So
of green
a
as
lot
well
of
in that,
yeah,
so,
very
yeah.
patriotic.
Yeah.
आप
हाँ.
इसका कितना बोल रहे हो?
300
बस हो गया. अच्छा आप
ठीक है, I think it's decent. Thank you भैया. ये हम plastic bag में नहीं लेंगे because we are trying to save the environment. So I think I'll end up holding this in my hand.
और
Thank
कुछ
you.
नहीं है, ऐसे बैग नहीं है आपके पास?
एसओएल पैक
अरे
आपने रखना चाहिए.
आपको रखने चाहिए.
अभी स्टार्ट करेंगे हम लोग
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you भैया.
Thank you.
Do you follow any skincare routine before and after playing Holi?
I mean, because now I do like organic colors, colors made out of flowers. So honestly, I just do my regular skincare, which is whatever, moisturizer, sunscreen. Sunscreen is something that I try and use every day. So Holi is no different. And then I come back and then I sort of clean it up with cleansing
Cleanser.
balms. Cleansing
Okay,
balms.
cleansing
Like
balms.
I love cleansing balms. They clear off everything, but they also don't leave the skin dry. So I do cleansing balm and then just followed by badam oil or you know some
Scrubbing.
olive oil. No scrubbing, rubbing. I do that regularly anyway.
Acha.
That's about it.
Wow. Oh, so we can head into this store. I quite like what I see. So I think we'll buy something in silver.
Keeping it minimal, like minimal is very my style. Not this. Yeah, this is nice.
I'm not really sure if you would like these. I mean, these are very statemental, but then I don't know. I mean, it also matches your
I want to
juti
go. I want to go because the
Very
juti
many.
has a lot of colors.
colors. Yeah.
I want to now just stay in
Keep
the
it very high.
yeah, keep it like one.
So let's stick to as
I
minimal as
love
possible.
these, love these as well. Like just.
So do you prefer short earrings or long earrings,
It all
especially
depends.
while you're shooting?
No, while shooting though, I have to wear what they give me. But otherwise, little more regular. But it actually depends. I have long ones, I have short ones, small ones, and it all depends on what I'm wearing and how which zone I want to go into. So I'm very
Moody and
open.
picky,
No, I'm
huh?
very open and very experimental.
Oh,
so
wow.
yeah.
That's good. I think we'll end up buying the flower.
See this?
Yeah, I love it. It's cute.
You know, I feel the jutis. I'm gonna put it to my
I mean,
face.
I do that too.
yeah.
Either or, I mean, I love both. You can end up keeping both. That should not be an issue.
Which one do you like? Pri, I want to get one for you as well.
Aww.
Tell me which one. Pick up one.
Come.
Come inside. Come inside. It's shopping time.
Shall we do some finger rings as well?
I almost heard, shall we do some fingering as well? Do you think this is a little too much? Like, I love this.
I
so-
don't mind too much.
Yeah, it's like
see, I mean, if you see my rings,
Yeah.
so
See, I love this.
Yeah, I think we are done.
Yeah.
Now let's get ready for a heart attack. अब इन सब के prices बता दीजिए please.
Bhaiya, so this is what we have got. Love these. Listen, please negotiate, Gaga.
हाँ.
He's saying 500.
500 किसका?
नहीं.
देखा उन्होंने भी ना बोल दिया. अब
Because I
अब
thought he
मेरी
would take
बारी.
it. तुमको मतलब एक मैं तो मुझे लगा no.
हाँ, तो ये दोनों के और 4 रिंग्स के मिला के हुए
200, 300, 600, 800,
ये 600.
1000 हो गए.
So he's giving it to me for 1500 and not 18. Thank you भैया. Thank you so much.
That was
Wow.
quick.
And
Thank
also
God.
it's
It's
too
hot,
hot.
so I'm glad. Guys, we are under this Gulmohar tree. I think it's called the Gulmohar tree.
Is it?
Or is it Imli ka ped? Gulmohar.
जो भी हो,
So
but
yeah,
I'm
बहुत
feeling
छाया
relaxed.
है and yeah, we're in the middle of Lokanwala market, the traffic, but we're good.
I know. So कीर्ति हमारी कपड़ों की शॉपिंग हो गई है.
Oh my God, just this much. Look at
है
this,
ना?
guys. इतने में हो गया मेरा.
And I guess we ended up shopping all of this in just 30 minutes.
Less than that.
Less than
guys.
30 minutes. Yeah.
Time is money.
Time is money. I'm very, very, very excited to get you wholly ready.
Me too.
And let's see how this works. So let's make it happen. So that was a fun, quick Holi shopping that we've done with Kirti. And while she's getting ready with her hair and makeup, let me show you all what we have purchased for her today. Starting off with this Malmal cotton cot set and the sunglasses which we have got it for 1000 rupees. And then I have purchased these cool statement earrings followed with some cool finger rings. And these we got for 1000 rupees. And ending the look with these cool printed juices which I got them for 300 rupees. So I am very, very, very excited to get Kirti ready in this outfit.